hearts collide. The house shakes with thunder, the world outside denied. Scrapper stands in shadows, a beacon in the night, with a heart like a volcano, ready to ignite. His laughter echoes fierce, like a battle cry. In a realm of false kings, he's just passing by. Oh, Scrapper, so misunderstood, a wildfire spirit burning bright and good. With every word you speak, a truth unleashed, knocking down the walls as the silence ceased. Just a boy on a journey lost in the haze, searching for friendship in the fiery maze. Dancing on the edge of the razor's embrace, his soul a canvas painted with anguish and grace. Desire's a demon, whispering sweet lies, but Scrapper's spirit soars like a phoenix that flies. With a heart full of passion, he lights up the gloom. In the tempest, the youth, he's the flower in bloom. Oh, Scrapper, so misunderstood, a wildflower fighting through the cracks of wood. With every word you speak, a truth unleashed, knocking down the walls as the silence ceased. Just a soul in the chaos, seeking the flame. In the shadows of darkness, not seeking the fame. But like storm clouds gather, dark hearts conspire. In a world full of venom, they stoke the fire. Yet Scrapper stands firm, with a shield made of dreams. His voice like a thunderstorm, tearing at the seams. Misfire of fate, they don't see what he sees. In a house full of laughter, he's the soul-searching peace. Oh, Scrapper, so misunderstood, a lighthouse of truth where the tides of pain stood. With every word you speak, a truth unleashed, knocking down the walls as the silence ceased. Just a warrior of friendship, fierce in the night, charging through shadows, he's ready to fight. So raise up your glasses,